Hello everyone. I welcome you all in this UPSC CSAT complete lecture series. Today we are going to start a new reasoning topic and that is coding and decoding. So how to proceed this one? First we will do the theory portion. Okay, then we will solve the PYQs, right? But in this topic, that is in coding and decoding, there will be minimum theory. Okay. So whatever concept we are getting, we will get that will be from the PYQs, and we will solve at least five years questions. Okay, five back year questions. Right. So be with me for at least 30 to 35 minutes. So I guarantee that you will understand like how to solve the coding and decoding questions. It will be easier for you. I promise that one. Okay. So let's begin. See, in the previous lecture, that is in alphanumeric series, I have told you something about like if I write A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, like this. I mean, for every alphabet, I am giving some number. Okay, for that, it will be 26. So, how to remember this one? There are 26 alphabets. So, how to remember this one? So, simply just learn E Jyoti. Okay, it will be easier for you because if you take this 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, this is 25, so it will be easier for you to understand that one. I mean to learn that one. Okay, fine. But sometimes you have to consider the reverse order, like z is equal to 1, and like this it will be 24, this will be 25, and this will be 26. So how to consider this one? Similar one, I mean the reverse order, like someone says that I got first rank. Okay, just imagine, just consider like this is a person, this is a class student. Okay, his actual rank is 26. Okay, but he said that I got first rank, but from backward direction. So what will be the actual rank from the forward direction? So it will be like 27 minus that whatever he is saying, like first rank, so it will be 26 rank. Okay, similarly, whatever the total number of student, just add one first. Okay, total number of student is 26, I have added one, that is it will be 27. Then we will subtract whatever the rank of that person. Okay, so we can say number plus 1 minus rank. So it will be, okay, we can say it backward rank. Okay, backward rank. So we will get forward rank. Clear? So like this we can understand. So this is for alphabets. Okay, so why I'm saying this one? Because in coding and decoding it will be important for you. Okay, first one, this is the important thing. Second thing is arranging the words, arranging the alphabets. Okay, sometimes it is said like A, B, C. I'm just giving you one example: A, B, C, and there is E, F, G. Okay, then what can be the value of here? I, J, K, and then this is your question, what will be the value? Okay, so simply you can see like A, B, C. After C, what is the gap? Okay, this is your one method. Or simply you can see A, after A it is E. What is the gap? I mean there is a B, C, D, E, sorry, B, C, D, three alphabets in between A and E. So you can say there will be three alphabets between I and this alphabet. So I, J, K, L, then this will be M, right? Similarly, here you can say like after B it will be C, D, E, then F. Again three alphabets. So you can say J, K, L, M, then it will be N. Okay, next will be O. So this will be your answer. This is a simple example. Okay, so I think if you solve the PYQs, you will understand more. So let's try that one. Okay, fine. Okay, look at this question. This question is from 2024. They have just given if in a certain code ABCD is written as 24. Okay, clear? ABCD and that is equal to 24. Second, EFGH that is equal to 1680. Okay, then what will be the value of IJKL? Okay, so you have to decode like if ABCD is equal to 24 and EFGH is equal to this one, so what can be the value of IJKL? The first one, whatever I have told you, just go through that process. Okay, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, 3 is equal to, sorry, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. Okay, so if you are little, I mean, interested in mathematics, you will get some idea like it will be if you multiply this one 4 multiplied by 3, then multiplied by 2, then multiplied by 1, it will be 24. Okay, if you multiply all numbers, it will be 24. So similarly, it will be like if you multiply the numbers of these alphabets, you will get this number. Obviously, let's try. E is equal to 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Okay, so it will be like this is 30 and this is 56. So you can say 56 multiplied by 30. So I'm just writing 0 here, 8, and this is 1. Okay, 680. Yeah. So we are getting 1680. Now tell me what will be the value of IJKL? I is equal to, okay, you can write E Jyoti. So I is equal to, I is here before J, it is 9, then J is equal to 10, here J is equal to 10, K is equal to 11, then L is equal to 12. Okay, so simply this is 90 and you have to multiply this one like 11 multiplied by 12, it will be like 132. How I got this one? I know like 112 multiplied by 10 is equal to 120 and then add 12 it will be like 132. So I have written 132 and by 90 so it will be here 0, this is 8 and 7, this is 8 carry 2 and this is 11, 11880. This is your option A. Are you getting this or not? Okay, see if you have any doubt regarding any solution, okay, any step, you can comment that one. Okay, I always say that you should comment, then it will be more clear for you, right? So it was easy, right? So let's try the next question. I guess it was the easier one from 2024. So it is saying if in a certain code pot is equal to ATOP, okay, and TRAP, so it is equal to TRAP is equal to APART. Okay, so what can be the value of ARENA? You can say arena Okay, so here what we can see in the beginning, whatever whatever the value, whatever the alphabets is given. So here in the beginning of the alphabets, on in the decoding, it is A. Here is also A. Okay, extra A. And so we can say there will be extra A in the beginning of the decoding word. Okay, now POT. Okay, so you can see POT, the order is reversed. POT, order is reversed, right? Here TRAP, order is reversed. So here we can say arena. So arena we will write from this one, ANERA. Okay, ANERA, this will be your answer. So just look at the answer, AANERA, that means D option. So now tell me, it was easy or tough? Okay, I think it will be easy. It is easy. 2.5 marks you will get without any efforts. Okay, so that's why I'm saying you have to just understand like how to solve this type of questions. You have to follow, you have to convert the alphabet into number. You have to just look at the order of the alphabets, whatever the coding and whatever the codes is given, you have to look at the orders. Okay, so like this you have to understand the sequence or a clue whatever it is given, right? So let's move to the next question. So now look at this question. This is from 2023. As per many candidates, it was the toughest paper. So let's see it was actually toughest or not. Okay, so it is given that 0, it is written as CHUR. Okay, so how can we write player? PLAYER. Okay, so when you are not getting the actual idea like how it is arranged, you can convert that alphabet into numbers, so it will be more easier for you, right? So I'm just writing the numbers corresponding to the alphabets. So 20, Z is equal to 26. Okay, let's write this one, E Jyoti. Okay, Z is equal to 21, 26. E is equal to 5. R is equal to what? See, O P Q R. Okay, O P Q R. That means 15, 16, 17, 18. So R is equal to 18 and O is equal to what? 15. Okay, now C is equal to 3. H is equal to what? Here, see, E F G H, that means 5, 6, 7, 8. H is equal to 8. Then U is equal to what? So here T, after T it will be U. Okay, so here it is 21. And R is equal to what? R is equal to 18. You can write 18. Okay, now just look at the order of corresponding alphabets. It is like 26. After 26 it is given here 3. Okay, so what is the gap? First alphabet is missing, A, and B is missing, then C is given. Similarly, after E, 5, here is 8. Gap is equal to 2 alphabets. That means what? After E, F, G, then H is given. Here again, after R, you can see S, T, then here U is given. Okay, then similarly O, P, Q, R is given. So you can see after every alphabet, correspondingly here two alphabets is missing. So next alphabet will be your answer. So P, your answer will be after P, Q, R. So answer will be S, L, M, N. So it will be O, A, B, C. Then answer is D, Y, Z, A. Answer will be B, E, F, G. Answer is H, R, S, T. Answer is U. So S, O, D, B, H, U. S, O, D, B, H, U. Again, we are getting D option. So are you getting it or not? What process we are following? What method we are following? Are you getting or not? Okay. If you are understanding the concept, if you are understanding the explanation, please like the video and share it with your friends. So it will be easier for you if it's easier for them to understand the concept. Okay. I think every year around 1 2 questions are from this topic. So around 2.5 or 5 marks question from this topic will be easier for you. So just try it. Right. Fine. So next question is, this question is from UPSC 2022. Look at this question. If you understand this one, it will be more easier for you. So question is saying if the order of the letters in the English alphabet is reversed. Okay, see, reverse order is given. Right, I have told you like how to understand this one, how to decode this one. And each letters represent the letter whose position it occupies. Okay, then which one of the following represent Lucknow? Means what? Means if you reverse the order and whatever alphabets here is given, so correspondingly there will be some reverse order, reverse alphabet in the same position. For example, if I say if it is given A, okay, if you reverse the order, so initially A is in the first position. If you reverse the order, Z will be in the first position if you reverse. Right. So what you understand how to do this one? So first we have to write the reverse order, reverse ranking. Okay. Based on that, you have to first find the ranking of this one. Whatever alphabet follow have the same ranking, you have to write the those alphabets. Okay. So first write the ranking of number of Lucknow. Okay, so just write this one E Jyoti. Okay, L is equal to what? See, IJKL. JKL means what? 10, 11, 12. It will be 12, right? U is equal to what? TU means 20, 21. It will be 21. C is equal to 3. K is equal to what? JK. Okay, so it will be 11, right? N. MNO means it is 14, sorry, 15. So it will be 14. So here is 14. It will be 15. And W, it is TUVW 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, this is 23. Now just reverse the order. Okay, so I have told you if you want to reverse, like if you want to get the rank of the reverse order, if this is the first rank, so what will be the actual rank of this one? So you can just write 27 minus given rank. This is first rank, it will be 26. So actual rank will be 26. So it will be more easier for you to understand this one. So whatever value is given, like 12 is given, so you have to find like correspondingly which, sorry, I mean correspondingly for these alphabets, Lucknow, L U C K L N O W, which alphabets will be there? Which, yeah. So for L, it will be 12. So 12 means 27 minus 12. It will be what? 15. So you have to write 15, then 21. 27 minus 21. 27 minus 21. So it will be 6. Then 3. 27 minus 3. So it will be 24. I am just writing the ranking first, then we will write the alphabets. Okay. So yes, 27 minus 11, it will be 16. 27 minus 14, it will be 13. Okay. Then 27 minus 15, it will be 12. Then 27 minus what? 23. So 27 minus 23, it will be 4. This will be their forward rank. Now tell me, what is the forward rank? O for 15. I mean 15 is equal to 4. O. So it is O. 6 is equal to what? E, F. 24 means this is 25. X, Y means this is X. Okay. Then 16. O, after O it is P. Then 13. Okay. So J, K, L, M. This is J, K, L. L, then finally this is D. So this is your answer. O F X O F X P M L D. That means D is your option, correct option. Okay. So are you getting my explanation or not? So if you are getting it, please like the video. Okay, and say like you are getting it or not. Okay, understanding it or not. Fine. So we will try the next question. So now this question is from UPSC 2021. So I think every year 1 or 2 years, 1 or 2 questions they are asking. So just understand how to solve this type of question. So it will be more easier to you. I mean for you to understand like how to proceed this type of questions, right? So it is given in a code language. Mathematics is written as this one. So how is chemistry written in that code language? Okay, understand the question. So it is mathematics. So here is L B. See, whenever you are writing this one, just give some space so that you can write how the coding is given. Okay, coding is done. So this is SIDNZUHDR. Okay, then you have to find the word chemistry, right? See, this question is little bit of, I mean little bit complicated, but if you understand like how to process the pattern, so it will be easier for you. Okay, back to back you have to look at this one. Like see, after L it is M, right? So you can say before M it is L. So what will be the before C? Before C it is B. So you can write B here. Okay, that's why I have told you like you have to write back to back. I mean one by one alphabets. Okay, so after A it is B. So here before this is after like this one. So after A it is B. So H this will be I. Okay, then T. So before T is what? So first what you have seen here, before, then after, then before, like this pattern it is given. Okay, so this is T, before T it is S, so before E it is D, right? Then HI, so it is M, this is N. So if you look at the option, I think you got the answer, this is B. Still, if you want to write the next alphabet, so it will be like after E it is, sorry, before E it is D, so before I it is what? H, then after S here, after M it is N, so after S it is T, right? Before A it is Z, so before T it is what? Before T it is S. Okay, then after T it is U, so after R it is S. Before C, sorry, after T it is I. Okay, so it is I, before I it is H, so before Y it is X. So this is your complete alphabet, I mean code. Got it? So sometimes you have to write one to one, so that you will understand like how to follow, how the pattern is given, right? How the code is given. Okay, understood? Fine. So next question is what? So look at this question. This is from UPSC 2020. Okay, and in 2020 there are two questions. So just look at this one. It is very easy. So it is given A C P Q, then here is B E S U, and here, I mean, for this code it is decode like this one. So you have to decode this one based on this one. Okay, similar pattern you have to follow, right? Is it clear? So you can see like A C P Q, here is B E S U. So A, after A it is B, so after M what will be the answer, what will be the alphabet? It is N. Okay, after C it is D, then E. There is a one alphabet in between this one. Okay, so you can say here is N. So after N there is O. So it will be P. In between N and P there will be one alphabet. Okay, fine. For P, this is Q R in between P and S. So it will be like here is G. So G H I, two alphabet will be there, it will be J. Okay, finally Q, then R S T. Okay, this is U. Fine, this is U. There is three alphabets, so here we can say like after I it will be what? After I, J, K, L, so this will be M. So your answer is NPJM. NPJM, the option. Is it clear? It was easy or difficult? So now you decide like you are getting it or not. It was difficult or easy? Okay, and you are understanding the concept or not, how to process the question, you understood, right? So this type of question you have to understand, like you have to you can practice these types of question, so it will be more easier for you to solve in examination. Fine. So one more question is there from 2020, so that will be your last question. So let's look at that one. So this is the last question from UPSC 2020. Okay, so what is the question? The question is, a letter from A to Z a number from 1 to 26 respectively. It is given like you have to write from A to Z in the sequence of 1 to 26, right? So it is given like GHI is equal to 1578 and DEF is equal to 912. Then what is the value of ABC? Whatever the data is given, you have to write that one. Like A is equal to 1, it is given. B is equal to 2, it is given. C is equal to 3. Like this, whatever, like we have to follow this one, E Jyoti. Okay, like that. So if you look at this one, it is given like A, B, C. So you are getting like there is nothing like 1, 2, 3 in the answer. So what can be the answer? The first write this one, GHI. For G, what is the alphabet? Based on this one, it you have to look at the you have to find the value EFG. So it is 567. So it is 7. Then H is 8. Then I is equal to 9. Clear? Then okay, next one is D E F. So it is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so if you write the alphabet, if you write DEF, it is like 456, but here it is given 912. So if you are little good in mathematics, so you can see like this value is a double value of this one. 456 multiplied by 2, if you multiply it by 2, it will be 912. Okay, so and if you are not good in, I mean little bit of mathematics, interest in mathematics, you have to be there, it should be there. Okay, then only you can understand like you have to multiply by 2 or multiply by 3 or divided by 2, like this you have to understand that one. Okay, so it will be 912. So here it is 7, 8, 9. So it will be multiplied by 2. So it will be like 1578. Okay, so similar way here is 1, 2, 3. So multiplied by 2, it is like 246. So answer will be D option, 246. Are you getting it or not? Right, it was clear. So what idea we are getting from this question, whatever question we have solved till now, what idea we are getting? So let's revise that one. First thing is you have to understand the, I mean, coding of that alphabet. Whatever alphabet is given, A, B, C, D, E, F, like this, whatever alphabet is given, correspondingly you have to understand the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to understand that one. So that's why I have told you E Jyoti. Okay, then this is a forward rank, forward coding or forward rank. Then you have to understand the backward also. So for backward, I have told you, you have to subtract by 27 minus whatever the forward rank is given. Clear? Then sometimes you have to look at the pattern. Sometimes you have to look at the pattern like how it is given. Whatever the code is given, based on that you have to decode that next one. Okay, so second question is that type of question. And then yes, just now whatever what question we have solved, you have to understand like you have to like multiply, or you have to add, or you have to square, or whatever mathematical operation you have to do, you have to look at that one. Okay, whatever the data is given, based on that you have to understand like what mathematical operation you have to do. Okay, here, I mean, majority if you see, it will be like multiplication and addition. but sometimes it will be like addition and square or cube, like this mixed of one or two operations. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, or yes, whatever concept we have applied in alphanumeric series, few concepts will be applied here too. Okay, so that's why just practice these type of questions, and it will be easier for you then. So we will meet in the next lecture, and till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.